Happy Christmas to you all. Tomorrow is Christmas Day and it's on Sunday. Let's learn quick head wrap Gele for church. Let's get started.
Dead baby, what's up?
Don't you the crafty producer?
Hello everyone. Hello people. Welcome to my channel. This is Dead Beauty. Yes, so tomorrow is Christmas Day. And we are going to learn how to achieve simple and quick head wrap Gele on yourself, because tomorrow and on Sunday as well, most people will go to church. So sometimes many people, they are just used to it. I can't tie Gele. This Gele is very easy. This material I have here with me is ashoke. Please, what I just need from you is I want you to focus your eye and concentrate. If you concentrate, you will learn one or two things. So I divide any material you get. You can use it, akara, any material, you can use it to achieve this style. It's very easy. So I divide it into two, then I fold it into two as well. But if your hair is not nice, don't even bother to fold it, so that for you to have excess material to cover the back side. That is it, my people. Because my hair is nice, that is the reason I just fold it, so that I will bring out my hair out from the back side. Okay, my people, I'm just managing this share because I just finished my son birthday photo shoot. You know, my second son was born on Christmas Day, Emmanuel. Christmas Day, it will be 12 tomorrow. So we just finished the photo shoot, and before I will go and bring my Gele share, time they go. So my people, you cross it at the back. Cross it at the back is very easy. I decided to do voice on top this video. You understand? And see the way I twist it. Make sure you do your twisting to the front side. Don't twist it to the back side. For you to have that firm Gele, just twist it. Twist the both sides. Once you twist one side, keep it under your arm, under your armpits, okay? So then you twist the other side as well. Yes, so Jesus is the reason for the season. Our Lord Jesus was born on Christmas Day. So we are celebrating the joy of the Lord will not be ceased in our home. May the Lord give us joy. May the Lord give us reason. You being alive alone, my sister, my brother, is enough to celebrate. And January to December, we are still alive. We made it. So just focus your eye. You see the way I use one to twist. I cross it at the front. I use one to go round and go round again to firm it. So now that excess one, if you just twist it, fold it, and tucking it under that side part you have already twisted. If you can't put it like this, the way I'm doing it, just use pin to pin it there. It's okay. It's just okay. Then the top one, this one that is left now, you now use it. You can use it to create rows. You can open it and just use it to create anything you want to create at the front side. Now it's very easy, my people. Operation do it yourself. Learn, because you don't know the day you will need it. You are going to church, you are going to events, at least you have idea how to tie Gele. In case you are watching me, I base here in United Kingdom, London. You can book me for your event. I'm available to travel all over the world, my people. Yes, so we are into many in one beauty. We do makeup, we do Gele, different hairstyle of Gele. Send me the picture, I will give it to you. Different makeup, lads, natural. I will give it to you the way you want it, your makeup. Yes, so my people, we also do traditional bridal hair, okoko, and we do for all tribe as well. And we do photo shoot. If you see photo shoot what I do for my son yesterday, hey, my people, in case you are watching me from YouTube, you better come to my Facebook and see. I will demonstrate it tomorrow on my Facebook, Instagram. In fact, I will still post it on my Facebook because I need to celebrate my son. He was born on Christmas Day and he is a miracle baby. He was born 3 months to the time. I supposed to put to bed March ending. Then my water broke 24th of December that year. Then on the 25th, they said, okay, madam, they want to bring out your child on Christmas Day. That boy is a bunch of miracle. So tomorrow, Emmanuel will be cutting his cake. You can join us on Facebook. In case you are watching me from YouTube, I have another new YouTube channel. So the name of the new YouTube channel is Deck Beauty Life. We always do live stream there on my new YouTube. I will be on live under my YouTube tomorrow, cutting of the cake, because I need to celebrate my son. I will celebrate him because he survived by miracle. I need to celebrate him. So my people, join me as we cut cake tomorrow. I will be on live stream tomorrow after church service from 2 p.m. We'll be on live 2 to 3. Yes, so my people, we'll do cutting of the cake and the testimony of Emmanuel. Thank you. This is the final, my people. Happy Christmas to you all. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your Christmas. Bye-bye.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that their beauty is only specialized in makeup and hair, now let me shock you. We in that beauty studio, we are also specialized in traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can